Welcome friends, in this one let's take a look at finding the following. So I'm going to have here f of x would be equal to sine of squared of x this way. I want to find the second derivative, so I'm going to find the first one first. So I'm going to do f prime of x would be equal to, you got to use the chain rule because sine is the inside function and squaring is the outside function. So it becomes 2 sine raised to the 2 minus 1x, and then you have to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which looks like the derivative of sine of x. You work this out and clean it up. So it's 2 sine. 2 minus 1 is 1, copy the x, and the derivative of the sine function is the cosine function. So you have 2 sine x cosine x. You can just rewrite this as a single expression this way, so it becomes sine of 2x. It's more compact and it's allowed. That's an identity for 2 sine x cosine x. Now to find the second derivative, you have to differentiate the first one. So f double prime of x would be equal to the following, the derivative with respect to x of sine of 2x. The derivative of the sine function is cosine. You copy the 2x and you multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is the derivative of 2x. This becomes cosine of 2x times 2. By convention, the 2 goes out front, so it becomes 2 cosine of 2x. And this is the answer. If it's been helpful, friends, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.